Children, I will give you a sentence. You have to change it into passive voice. Ready?
Sir.
Well, let us talk about simple present. First one is I write a letter. Suchitra.
A letter is written by me.
Yes, a letter is written by me. Prashant. It drinks milk.
Milk is drunk by it.
It. Milk is drunk by it. Right. Bashir. You speak English.
English is spoken by you.
English is spoken by you. Right. Dhanush Raj. They play cricket.
Cricket is played by them.
Cricket is played by them. Yes. Jai Shyam. I make a kite.
I make a kite.
I make a kite.
A kite is made by me.
Me. Very good. A kite is made by me. Yes. Narendra. He buys pens.
Pens are bought by her.
He. Yes, very good. Pens are
Bought by him.
bought by him. Good. Likita. We read books. We read books.
Books are read by
What is the third form of verb? Read. Read. Now tell me.
books are read by us.
Yes, books are read by us. Good. Dakshita. I talk English. I talk English.
English is talked by me.
Good. Next. Jasmine. I take a book. I take a book.
A book is taken by me.
Yes, a book is taken by me. Jevani. He gives fruits.
Fruits is given. Fruits are given by her.
Fruits plural. That's why fruits are
Given by
given by him. He gives fruits. Fruits are
given by him.
him. Right. Very good. Sunil. My grandmother tells stories.
Stories are told by my grandmother.
Good. Stories are told by my grandmother. Claps.